Hello to everyone. My name is Neelam Singh. I am from Nagaji Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Akhanpura Rasada, Balia. As we know that it was scheduled for 15 days orientation program for English communication. We are supposed to be here by 3rd of July, and I got the opportunity to present here and to represent my school. I get very good opportunity to express myself and explore myself. This orientation program for English communication is very fruitful, beneficial, and I think it is very interesting and effective also. During this scheduled time, we had learned a lot of things. The first thing that we learned how to build up our personality and our confidence. Confidence is very important to teach and to make others to realize that we have something to tell to you. And second thing is that in this orientation program, I have learned more activities which may be beneficial if we applied in our classes, in our schools, by our mentor sir, Deepak Sarma sir, and our second coordinator sir, Mr. Dharamveer sir. I was very much thankful to them that they had provided us the platform to perform our activity and ability to show the others that we have such kind of potentials. And in this orientation program, we learned a lot. And the thing was that this orientation program has taken a compressed, comprehensive, and more effective. And we can say that in this activity, it was very impressive for us. We are impressed by such type of activities, such type of workshop that was conducted by our management committee, whatever authorities are there, and they initiated us to do something new for us. And in Vidya Bharati, it is very important and it is very necessary to put such type of workshop for the other teachers also. It is not only for the English teacher but for the other subject teacher also. They can use their English language for their presentation, how to present their subjective matters in front of the students, and student also face some initiative works in their viva or interview. They can develop their quality, they can show their potential to others, and our Vidya Bharati students will not be lagging behind if we attend such type of orientation program, and if we are active enough to do this. And also our mentor sir, Deepak Sharma sir, showed us just build up your confidence, just push up yourself in front of others and be in initiative in all other activities. And it will create our children to come forward for their responsibilities also and their liabilities also. So according to me, this orientation program should be conducted in all kshetras and whatever the regions we may live, so that ladies may not face such type of problem, but it is beneficial, fruitful, and it is very important, and it's needed for our teachers group also. So I was very much grateful to our both teachers, both mentors, that they had given such an opportunity, such a fabulous environment for us, that we had developed our communication skills in speaking English. And it's my heartiest regard to both of them. I am very much grateful and thankful to both the teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.